Hi, this is Mike Seaman with the National Weather Service in Salt Lake City, Utah, and this is the weekly fire weather briefing created on Monday, June 10th, 2013. For the upcoming week, we are concerned about gusty south winds and low humidity across much of Utah Monday, and again Wednesday, Thursday. Isolated thunderstorms across the northern third of Utah Tuesday and Wednesday, and possibly a strong cold front crossing northern Utah late in the day Thursday. Weather concerns Monday center around gusty south winds, hot temperatures, and low relative humidity. These gusty south winds are expected to develop by Monday afternoon and continue into Monday evening across much of Utah, gusting to near 40 miles an hour at times. Additionally, very warm temperatures are expected area-wide, with high temperatures in the 90 to 100 degree range across most valleys. A very dry air mass also remains in place across the region, with humidities this afternoon expected to fall into the 5 to 10% range over most valleys. Fuels are currently critical over fire weather zone 497 in far southwestern Utah, where a red flag warning is in effect. On Tuesday, a weak low pressure system will cross northern Utah, bringing a small chance for thunderstorms to areas generally north of I-80. Lightning and gusty winds would be the main threats with any thunderstorms which develop. Otherwise, cooler temperatures, slightly higher humidity, and lighter winds can be expected across the area. Gusty south winds are expected to redevelop across much of the area on Wednesday and continue into Thursday. These winds will also usher in warmer temperatures and lower humidity values. Critical fire weather conditions can again be expected across zone 497 and anywhere else where fuels become critically dry during this time. As far as confidence with the forecast, we have high confidence that gusty winds and low humidity will develop across much of Utah Monday afternoon and again Wednesday and Thursday. Confidence in a strong cold frontal passage across northern Utah is a bit lower at this time, mostly due to the fact that this is several days out. Our area of lowest confidence is regarding the thunderstorms forecast for Tuesday. It appears there will be a few thunderstorms around as an area of weak low pressure crosses the area. However, determining the coverage and exact location of these storms is difficult to pin down at this time. Looking out beyond this week, it appears a persistent southwest flow aloft will remain across the eastern Great Basin as a low pressure system develops along the west coast. This will result in warm, dry, and breezy conditions across most of the area well into next week. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send an email to the email address on the screen. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.